Hi, I'm Ann Garcia. As the college financial lady and author of How to Pay for College, I've helped thousands of families save millions of dollars on college. In this series of videos, I'm going to walk you through the process of filing the FAFSA, which is your first step in becoming eligible for financial aid. Today is step one, getting ready for the FAFSA. You may know the FAFSA comes out on October 1st, so you've got a little bit of time before the 2022 FAFSA comes out, since I'm recording this in August. The first step in getting ready is getting all of your documents together. So there's a couple things in particular that you need to file the FAFSA. The first is your tax return. So even though you're going to use the FAFSA's IRS data retrieval tool to transfer your tax information over, you'll want to have your tax return handy because there are a couple questions that reference it. Second, you'll need your W-2s. Now, your tax return and your W-2s, if you're filing the FAFSA in 2022 for the 2023-2024 school year, we'll use your 2021 tax return and your 2021 W-2s. You're also going to need your bank and investment statements. You can have that data online. You don't actually need the month-end statement from any of those because you'll use your account values on the day that you file your FAFSA. The next thing you'll need to do is create an FSA ID. You can do this when you go to start the FAFSA. However, a best practice is to do it ahead of time because sometimes it takes them a little while to process your FSA ID. So go ahead and get your FSA ID now. The way you do it is you go to the Federal Student Aid website, which is studentaid.gov, and then you'll click on Apply for Aid, complete the FAFSA, and new to the FAFSA process, start here. So in here, as a student, you can create an FSA ID, and as a parent, you can create an FSA ID. Both of you will need that, and you'll use them every year when you file the FAFSA. So go ahead and create your FSA ID here on studentaid.gov. That is your first step in filing the FAFSA. Thanks for watching this. I'm Ann Garcia, the college financial lady and author of How to Pay for College. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. That way you'll see the next video, which will actually start showing you the process of filing the FAFSA.